In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your expert option app. So if you've been experiencing problems with your app, maybe your app crashes or it can't open, then you need to go ahead and fix errors associated with the app to get it up and running. Now to do so, there are quite a number of steps that you can use. Now in the first method, we shall need to access the app information page. So there are two ways you can access the app information page for this app. First, you can go to settings, and here's settings, and then I'll go ahead and tap on it. From this, I'll scroll and look for the app. And as you can see, apps option is here. So for this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From app, you'll see this option called manage apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. So scroll down until you see the app that you want. For my case, I want this expert option app. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And now you see we are on app information page. Now, if this was a long process and you can't get to this page, let me show you a shortcut method. And in the shortcut method, just go to your app and then just long press on it. And you can see we have this option called app info. Go ahead and tap on it. It will still take you to the same page. Now from here, proceed until you see we have here an option called clear data. If I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see we have quite a number or a lot of cache data and user data. So in the first method, we want to go ahead and clear this cache data. When we talk of cache data, these are just small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance the usability or user experience. However, when these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction or to stop even working. So all you need to do is just go ahead and clear the cache data, and you can do it by typing on clear data down here. And then you can see we have two options here, clear all data and clear cache. So proceed and tap on clear cache and then OK. And now you can see the cache data has been cleared. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open it afresh. And now it should be working normally. However, if this did not solve your problem, then you might proceed and clear all the data by still tapping on clear all data. And then this will go ahead and wipe out all the data such as login details, and you'll have to log in afresh. So try this, and this should fix most of the bugs or errors that you have on your smartphone or on your app. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to proceed and use the last method. And in the last method, you'll need to go and look for any update if it is available in Google Play Store for this app. For this, I'll proceed and tap on Play Store and then search for my app. And here's the app. I'll now go ahead and tap on it to open. Now look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated app. So proceed and update it to the latest version. For my case, I cannot update it because I already have an up-to-date expert option app. So by following any of these methods, now your app should be up and running smoothly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.